Alright guys, I bought another Smith torch. I got a Smith SC229. They're about 24-inch long torch. This is one I've had for several years, and I found another one local for next to nothing. He said it was broke. I figured, there's really not much to them, a little valve. So I went and picked it up. Tearing it apart, I'm trying to figure out why. See, the handle on it releases the oxygen to cut the steel. It was basically going down and staying down, wouldn't come back up by itself. And I couldn't figure out why. There had to be something missing. I took this one apart, found this little piece of brass. And that actually kind of would go in between the spring sets on that, and that pushes that needle valve open, and in return it just pushes it down to release the air up through inside of here to shoot it out down to the tip. So this is what I got. So I'm gonna try to make this. I did find it online, like weldsupply.com and some of the local, like Weiler Welding, a few of the welding surplus stores around. You can get this kit. You basically get everything here, O-rings, all new, everything. You get all this right here for, on weld.com, I think it's like $18 plus shipping. Yeah, I could buy it. The local welding supply store is $32 for all this. You just can't get this piece here. Yeah, it comes in a kit, rebuild kit. So I'm going to try and make it. No harm, no foul. It has nothing to do with the gas side of it. It only releases the full chooch of the oxygen down to the tip. That's all it does. So I'm going to see if I can't make it. Okay, that should be my first largest measurement of 341 thousandths for this diameter right here. This measurement definitely doesn't matter, but I got 190, 191. Do something. Shouldn't they? 216. Check this thing on the mic here. Yep. 191. 216, 218. I forgot to do something. Cut the diameter on that. That kind of makes me mad. And that has a little recess inside of it. I don't know if I can get that with the pointy bit of that, or just put a drill in it. Yeah, that's a lot of it. original. There's the little O-ring I put on it. I might have to, it's a good way to stab yourself with these springs and flat screwdrivers. Well, I guess I'll get the torch hooked up to it and see if it leaks. Bring it back. Okay, I got my piece set up in my torch. I got the torch hooked up anyways. Move some crap out of the way. But, you know, here's the torch head. The other one, my good one. Here's the good valve. I mean, it's to show you. I do have the one I made in here. Have the oxygen on. It does work. Turn the valve, you know, it comes on, blows air. Works good. I thought I was going to use that for just a test piece to see if I could do it, then make another one. That works. I mean, measurements were close. I mean, I got this one was spot on. That one in there was good. This one was good. This one out here was good. The length was a little different. I had to shorten this distance on this piece to allow for the O-ring I put in it. And the overall length was, this is like 1 inch 4/10, 5/10, and the other one is right at 1 inch. And hey, yeah. It worked, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Like I said, I run propane. Yeah, I got a 100-pound bottle, and use the big bottles of oxygen. It's all chained back to the wall, you know. Since I do have a mobile cart for this, it's so I do have the valve protectors. They screw on. They're just cast iron, and they screw onto the where the cap screws on, and they're kind of spaced for notched for the valve or the gauges, and gauges have hard hats. And I'll just leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it wasn't too boring for you. And I appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.